One storm just reached Category 5. Another is already sending dangerous surf toward Hawaii. And while neither storm is expected to make a direct landfall right now, forecasters say this is exactly the kind of setup you don't want to ignore. Here's why these two powerful systems are getting so much attention tonight. The Pacific is putting on a dramatic show right now. Hurricane Genevieve has exploded into one of the strongest storms of the season, briefly reaching Category 5 strength before easing slightly. Even after that slight drop, this is still an extremely dangerous major hurricane packing sustained winds of 145 miles per hour. The good news? At the moment, Genevieve is staying well offshore, moving northwest over open water, roughly parallel to Mexico's Pacific coastline. There are no coastal hurricane watches or warnings in effect. But that doesn't mean the storm isn't making its presence felt. Powerful swells generated by Genevieve are already crashing into parts of Mexico's southwestern coast and the Baja California peninsula, creating life-threatening surf and dangerous rip currents. Even when the center of a hurricane stays far away, the ocean can become deadly long before the storm ever gets close. And here's what's making meteorologists watch this system so carefully. Genevieve is expected to fluctuate in strength over the next day before gradually weakening later this week. But hurricanes of this intensity can change faster than many people expect, and that's why forecasters continue to monitor every movement. Now, while Genevieve dominates headlines farther south, another storm is creating concern hundreds of miles away. Tropical Storm Fausto, which was previously a hurricane, is weakening as it tracks toward the central Pacific. The current forecast keeps the storm passing north of the Hawaiian Islands rather than making a direct impact. Still, Hawaii is already beginning to feel some of the effects. Large surf is building along east-facing shores, and dangerous currents are becoming more common. Officials are reminding residents and visitors not to underestimate ocean conditions, because rough surf can become hazardous even if the storm itself remains well offshore. As of tonight, Fausto is carrying sustained winds of around 70 miles per hour and continues moving west-northwest. While the forecast remains favorable, emergency officials say it's still important for people across Hawaii to keep an eye on updates in case the track shifts. So here's the bigger picture. One major hurricane is roaring across the eastern Pacific with incredible strength. Another storm is weakening but still powerful enough to generate hazardous surf near Hawaii. Neither system is expected to deliver a direct strike right now, but both are proving a reminder that hurricane season can create dangerous conditions far beyond the eye of the storm. We'll continue tracking both Genevieve and Fausto as new forecast updates come in. If either storm changes course or intensity, we'll have the latest information for you first. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and we'll see you in the next update.